All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I got a new toy here for you, just to show you. This is from Whwue, and it's the micro Ferris wheel, and it is a fidget spinner. Obviously, it is a desk toy and a table decoration because it is. Beside the fact that it comes with this pretty cool case and very nice microfiber cloth kind of thing pouch. Inside you find this little fella in stainless steel, and it's a micro Ferris wheel. Very simple constructions. You can see right here. Let's check this dimensions. You get 34 millimeters. And you get 45 millimeters in height, let's say, and 19 millimeters in thickness. I'm gonna give you the weight as well, so you're gonna know how much this guy is gonna be in the pocket. For you, you're gonna have 4.2 ounces, 420. Look at that. So that's the weight, that's the size. I'm gonna show you a couple of spinners, a little bit higher end. You get the Go Bigger Pill Bug, you get the T-Max right there. And since we are doing Grail spinner, here is the Lauti Carnival, and you get the Shirogorov Pocket Roulette. So these are my top 4 favorite spinners. I would add a mini dealer in the mix. I would add, dude, this is awesome, 3B. And lastly, but not leastly, the Grenade Commander, another amazing grade. But anyways, we are here to chat about this little guy. Very quiet, spins like forever. Super quiet, geared. You have a Ferris wheel, you have a spinner that is held by this triangular piece, held together by these Chicago screws right over there. T10, maybe, to disassemble this little thing. But there's a trick up the sleeve of this little one, because, yeah, you can just pop it out from his base and boom, you have a nice spinner. Very, very quiet. You have a ball bearing right there. You can kind of, you see, like spin it, and it's going to act kind of like a spin top because of this. You can also do it on the other side and have it spin on the desk like that. I'm telling you, this is going to spin like for a long time. On the table is loud because of the vibration, but on the hand, extremely quiet. You see? So very, very nice indeed. A simple design, economical toy. It's not going to break the bank. You can have it on your desk, just bobbing back and forth like that for a little bit. Then it's going to stabilize, and it's just going to keep spinning. And produces a nice, soothing white noise. So you can enjoy the sound, you can enjoy the feel, and you can enjoy the look. That's pretty cool. There you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.